Let's make a dice. In edit mode, add 4 loop cuts to each side of the default cube. A general dice rule suggests that dots on opposing faces must sum up to 7. Now, in edit mode, select these faces to create the dots. Then hit I twice to inset faces individually. Right-click and select Poke Faces. Poke Offset is set to -0.12. Add a subdivision modifier and right-click to Shade Smooth. Then we're done. Now let's add some material. Set the color to white and roughness to 0.2. Now in edit mode, if your dots are deselected, you can select them all by highlighting one of them and then go to Select Similar and choose Polygon Sides. All the other dots will be selected. Add in a second material and name these dots. Let the material be black with a roughness of also 0.2. Then apply the second material to the selected faces and we have our dice. Now if you want to learn how to animate this, you don't want to miss the next part.